Hey guys, this is Nicholas. Today we'll do an unboxing and review of another Xiaomi product. It's called the MIJIA Smart Massage Eye Mask. MIJIA is another sub-brand under Xiaomi, which mainly focuses on household products. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. I bought this one during my trip in China last month for 173 yuan, which is about 25 US dollars. To me, it's a pretty good deal because even a regular eye mask in the US costs more than $10. Anyways, let's check what's inside. The packaging looks so good that it is really a joy to do the unboxing. This packaging looks like Apple products. It's not surprising because Xiaomi is the largest copycat in China. So here's the front of the eye mask, and here's the back. At the back, we have this adjustable magical tape, and along the edge of this eye mask, we have this very comfortable cushion all around it. And on the front, we have this device at the center. It has two buttons on the top. Left side is the heat button and right side is the power button. And at the bottom, we have this USB Type-C port for charging. And this logo at the center is the MIJIA logo. Let's put it aside and see what else are inside the box. The next thing inside the box is a bag for carrying the eye mask around. The texture felt very good. It's like those carrying bags come with sunglasses, but much bigger in size. And I also like that its color is consistent with the eye mask. You can tell from Xiaomi's products that they really pay attention to details. The eye mask nicely fits into the carrying bag. You can also close the bag by tightening the leash around the opening. It's a good accessory because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it during my flights in my upcoming trips. I can just throw it with this bag into my carry-on luggage. Let's see what else is inside the box. This one is a washable cover for the eye mask. Say if you have a really oily face or if you sweat a lot, this cover can prevent your sweat or face oil from staining the eye mask itself. For a regular eye mask, you can just throw it into a washer. But for this massage eye mask, you cannot because it has electronics inside it and they are not waterproof for sure. For me, I will not use it because the two holes on this cover may or may not line up with my eyes. And generally, I prefer more space around my eyes. But if I have friends coming over who wanna try it, I'll definitely put this cover on, for sure. Unless she's very hot. So let's see what else do we have. I'm not sure why I'm wearing these pink soldier gloves to make my life more difficult. Anyways, here is the instruction manual. All of them are in Chinese though. But don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you how to use it step by step after this unboxing. You can actually control the eye mask with an app, but that app is only available in China. Unless you have a Xiaomi smartphone, then that app is pre-installed. Anyways, here we have a white color USB charging cable. On one end of the cable is the USB Type-C connector, and on the other end is the USB Type-A connector. To charge it, we simply insert the Type-C connector into the Type-C port at the bottom of the device. We have one last thing inside the box. It's a quick start guide with a QR code. You can scan the QR code to get more information about this massage eye mask and also watch some online videos about how to use it. That wraps up our unboxing part. Next, I'm gonna show you how to use it. Alright, as mentioned earlier, there are two buttons on the device. The button on the right hand side is the power button. To turn on the device, you have to press the power button for 2 seconds. Both LED lights of the button turns white when the device is on. The right button is also the mode button. To change to a different mode, you simply press it once. There are 4 different modes. The first mode is called heat only. The second mode is called gentle. The third mode is called active. And the last mode is called self-defined. But in order for the last mode to work, you do need to use the MIJIA app to define the mode. One of the best features of this massage mask is that it can generate heat around your eyes. If you press the left button once, it will increase the heat level and the LED light turns red. Press it again, it goes back to the low heat level, and the LED light turns back to white. You can turn off the heat completely by pressing the left button for 2 seconds. Now the LED light of the left button goes off. But if you want to turn the heat back on, pressing the left button for another couple seconds is not gonna do the trick. In order to turn the heat back on, you have to press the right button for 2 seconds to turn off the device first, and then press it for another 2 seconds to turn the device back on. Now the LED light of the left button turns white again, meaning that the heat function is back on by default when you turn on the device. This wraps up the functionalities of the buttons of this smart massage mask. Alright, let's take a look at how it looks like when I put it on. To be honest, it feels really comfortable and also very lightweight. It feels like you are just wearing a regular eye mask. Also, it really blocks 100% of the visible light. Here is my massage mask over my pink soldier mask. And here is how I will show up on my flight during my next trip. Damn, it's a super good deal. It feels so comfortable. I highly recommend it to any ladies who enjoy having vibration massage. Anyways, can you give a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video? And if you like this type of content, can you subscribe to my channel? Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.